Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 and refresh tokens securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Auth0, create an account on the Auth0 website. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section in the dashboard. Click on Create Application to set up a new application. Choose a name for your application and select the appropriate application type. After the application is created, note down the domain, client ID, and client secret. Next, set up your application's callback URL to allow Auth0 to redirect after authentication. In the settings of your application, ensure the Allowed Callback URLs field includes your callback URL. Proceed to configure the Allowed Web Origins and Allowed Logout URLs as needed for your application. With your application set up, move on to integrating Auth0 into your codebase. Install the Auth0 SDK that corresponds to your framework, such as Auth0.js for JavaScript applications. Once installed, initialize the Auth0 client in your application using the domain and client ID. Implement the login functionality to prompt users to authenticate through Auth0. Make sure to handle the response from Auth0, capturing the access token and the refresh token in your application. It's crucial to store the tokens securely in a secure storage option, such as HTTP-only cookies or secure local storage. Next, you'll want to implement a function to refresh tokens when the access token expires. Set up an API endpoint or a function in your application to handle this refresh process. Utilize the refresh token to request a new access token from Auth0 whenever needed. Ensure that proper error handling is in place for scenarios where the refresh token might not be valid. Maintain best security practices by setting appropriate expiration times for your tokens. Regularly review and rotate your client's secrets and encryption keys as a part of your security measures. Finally, test the entire authentication flow thoroughly, including token expiration and refresh to confirm everything works seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.